Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I hope you all are even staying indoors and are safe. So as we all are locked down in our home and as the quarantine period is going on, Foxy has suggested me to share my favorite DIY face mask recipe for oil control. It's just a easy DIY mask so that you can control the oil as summers are here and even we are locked down in our homes, so we cannot get any face packs or anything from out. So it's so necessary that we take care of our skin also. So let's not waste time and let's get started into this amazing video. So guys, I use Multani Mitti. I'm using Multani Mitti. You can get Multani Mitti easily anywhere. So I'm just mixing Multani Mitti along with rose water. This is my favorite face pack recipe. I use it every alternate day. It makes my skin so damn amazing. So let's mix it, and don't please make it so flowy consistency. It should be having a thick consistency so that it can be on your face and it doesn't drips off. So guys, I have made my Multani Mitti and rose water paste, and you can see the consistency. It's not watery at all. So let's apply this. So guys, I have applied the face mask until my neck and I'm letting it dry completely. Until it dries, why not have some popcorn and chill? So you guys can also do that. So guys, as my mask is almost completely dried, let's clean it off and meet again. So guys, you can see my face. I have cleaned the mask. You can see how glowy and it made my skin so smooth. After applying Multani Mitti and removing it, I usually regularly apply aloe vera gel. So this aloe vera gel is from Wo Skin Sciences, and I love applying aloe vera gel after any kind of clay masks, like any. And you can see my skin is like ready to go. No need of any other skin care. So guys, you can see this amazing glow on my face with this Multani Mitti. So many people don't opt Multani Mitti, though they think it's not that great. But let me say you some of the important things Multani Mitti does to your skin. If you are someone who is facing huge acne problem or so heavy acne problem, Multani Mitti is best for your skin. It helps in removing acne and you will be seeing visible results so easily. It even helps to remove the dirt, the sebum that is in your skin. It even helps to remove the excess oil from your skin. And as summers in India are so harsh, you get sunburns, and Multani Mitti is amazing cooling agent to remove that sunburn and cool it off. It even helps to get rid of the uneven skin tone that we get due to sunburns or due to some other kind of things like exposed to sun without sunscreen. So this helps your skin amazingly. So guys, I hope you guys like this video and little bit of information given by me, and thank you Foxy for giving me this opportunity. And till the next video, stay safe, stay happy, stay indoors, and please protect yourself from this coronavirus. So till the next video, stay safe. Thank you.